Shape the earth, you taint the well. Sell them heaven, threaten hell.
Empires burn while your temples expand. Grief in the tithe bowl, cash in hand. They read the sky like a loaded gun. Fall to their knees before your favorite son.
They scream their prayers into the void.
You give no answers while you destroy.
If you're the truth, I step from the flames.
Show us your face, tell us your name.
Hey, God!
If you're alive up there,
Show us
who you are, make it loud and clear.
Bring the locusts, bring the fire.
Crush me right here for my blasphemy.
Bring the plague,
Unleash your rage.
come and make a believer of me.
I dare you, motherfucker.
Bring the flood.
You're no God, you're not our judge. You're no benevolent fucking king. You're just a dream to which broken sheep will cling. Strike me down, God, I'm standing right here. Arms out wide because it's not you I fear.
I've worn my sins like a second skin. Call your wrath, let the storm roll in.
I know your tricks.
I know your game.
Here's the leash and fates to change.
Show us your face, tell us your name. Hey, God!
If you're alive up there,
Tell me why I should care. Bring the locusts, bring the fire.
smite me now on a righteous land.
Bring the plague,
Unleash the king.
come and make a believer of me.
I dare you, motherfucker.
Bring the flood. Priceless fabrication. Down master of intimidation.
Bring the flood, bring the plague.
Let's see who you choose to save.
Bring the flood,
Bring the end.
burn down the sky as you descend.
Shake the ground.
Let the sea,
Show me something I need to see.
bring the flood, bring it on.
I dare you, motherfucker. Bring the flood.